Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. Come take a test drive today.